Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. Good day guys! Today we will continue our journey here in the city of Bath in Somerset, England. Right now we are in the Pulteney Bridge. Pulteney Bridge is a bridge over the river Avon in Bath, England. It was completed by 1774 and connected the city with the land of the Pulteney family, which the family wished to develop. Designed by Robert Adam in a Palladian style, it is highly unusual that it has shops built across its full span on both sides. This is some of the shops near the Pulteney Bridge. Luxury watches. It's a Rolex. You can find it in shops near the Pulteney Bridge. There are also different kinds of luxury watches. But I just took the video for the Rolex. So these are some of the Rolex watches, guys. Luxury watches from Rolex. Okay guys, we are here in Waitrose grocery supermarket, and this is the view in the vicinity of the Waitrose supermarket. Look at these guys. These are some ornamental plants that is being sold here in Waitrose supermarket. These plants are flower bearing and locally available here in the UK. It costs around 5.5 pounds.
Dito lang to sa
Look at those beautiful plants, guys. It's so nice. It has a different colors of flowers.
kabila, oh.
It is blooming during the winter season. Different colors. So cute. There's an offer for 3 plants for 12 pounds. 3 for 12. mix and match. So you can select 3 for 12 pounds. Oh, look at that, guys. It's like a violet or blue color. So cute. Okay guys, we went inside the Waitrose supermarket and I found this wine section which has over 1,000 wines available, where you can select from different kinds of wines from all over the world, different brands of alcoholic beverages.
Kung sasawa ka sa alak dito. Lahat ng...
Look at these guys.
Teka, may video na.
There's so much for you to choose from. I'm sure you can choose your best wine. There's just a lot of it. So many bottles of wines.
Dito. Cockbirds.
Different collection from all over the world. Choose from over 1,000 wines. Look at that. Plenty to choose from. So if you're looking for your special type of wine, you can visit the St. Rose supermarket in Bath, in the city of Bath.
Mami, nasaan suka?
Wala, puro cider.
Cider lang. Walang cockburns, no?
Wine is good for cold weather. It makes you feel a little bit hot. Which makes you comfortable in a cold weather. There's even some Japanese wines. Japanese, French, South Africa, American, German, Russian vodka. There's a lot to choose from. Tequila.
Super.
Hope you found your favorite one. Jack Daniels.
Tara na.
Daddy, ganun mo.
As long as you are in the right age,
Ganito lang siya.
then you can purchase
Sorry.
Daddy, ano kaya?
any wine that you like here at St. Rose Supermarket
Marami ko lang itong prosecco.
in the city of Bath in Somerset, England.
Pag ako ganito, green.
Hope you find your favorite wine, guys. And thank you for watching.
Ano yan?
Mayroon na siyang ano.
May gripo na.
Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.